What's up everybody, Joel and Mancini from Remax Premier, the OP team. Today we're here in beautiful Rockwood, Ontario. We have a beautiful Fernbrook built home, 3 years old, 2,700 square feet approximately, 4 bed, 4 bath, extensive upgrades throughout. We have a beautiful Ravine lot, which also features a pond. Don't let me tell you, come on in and check it out. So, what do you think this house will sell for? Or perhaps you're in the market for something similar or thinking of buying and selling? Send me a DM today for further discussion.